Tighten it. Tighten stuff on the side, son. Tighten stuff on the side.
That one?
No, on the side.
Huh?
And bolts right there.
What, right there?
Yeah, right here. Hey, look. Ugh. These.
These?
Yeah. No, sir. You don't hit. You tighten.
That worked.
It don't work?
Yeah.
All right, here you go. There you go. Okay. You got it? Let's flat on there. There you go. Oh, you're right. It ain't that size. Yeah, it is. There you go. Good job, dude. I didn't have fun with that. Good job, dude. Is it tight?
Huh?
Is it tight?
No. I'm spraying it. I'm spraying it.
What? Is it tight? Taking it out? Taking it out? Go the other way.
What?
Go the other way. Put it in. I'm taking it out.
No,
Remember?
I don't want that one.
Why you tell you left it loose?
I didn't see it.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah, he's right here. Alright. You gonna help me start these? Hey, we gotta put this on. Stand up. Stand up so you can help me. Yeah.
I said poo. I don't know. I said poo. I said it. I said that.
Yeah.
I said it.
Come here.
I got my dog. Look. You sit down there?
Yeah.
That's cute. That's cute. I want some of that. At what? Honestly,
Silly boy. You a silly boy? You want to show Grandma the box? Love my kid. Hey, Asher.
Come here.
You gonna come help?
Asher.
Help tighten these bolts.
Come here. Dada needs help.
Come on.
Come here.
So Asher stayed out of daycare today. So we're gonna have him torque these bolts. Come here, buddy.
Careful. Come here.
All right, come here. Where you at?
Look what Nick got.
Come on.
You okay? I know you want.
Come here. Come here, dude. Hey. I'm about to tighten them without you. Come on. You're gonna grab right here and pull. Stand right here. Yep, come on. Pull. All right, push. Ready? Push. Push hard. Where's your muscles? Hard. Good job. All right, got another one to do. Can you do it? Can you do this one? You ready? Oh. You ready? Push. Pull. Tighten it. Come on now. Where's your muscles? Come on. Good job. High five. They're all done. So the bottom half's done. Got a little cough, so we kept him at daycare. You need to work on that too? You need to work on it? I need to work on your boat. Work on your boat. Alright, so the bottom's done. Let's see what we're adding on next. Okay. It's a chain, son. Chain. Don't go back there. What?
I didn't know to
Okay.
I really want to.
So that's what you made that shit?
What is that? No.
So we're gonna go ahead and update this fuel pump. It was on his other one before we put it on the new block. Yeah. No. I'll go in the box. Now we do update the fuel pumps on every end frame. And the main reason is I don't want to build an engine and end up needing a fuel pump. And then it sets me back even longer. So it's part of the teardown. We're in. Head's good. Body's updated now. Guys, this right here, it looks like a plug, but it's not a plug. You unplug it from this connector. It's out of the truck so I can see it's even. And took it. I'm not gonna put none of the lines and stuff back on it because I'm about to pull the fuel pump off and put it on the other one. Alright, let's get taken apart. Alright guys, so like I said before, this dude didn't have this truck long, and I want to show y'all something. This is what happens. This cylinder right here wasn't firing. See how it's all carboned up in there? So you can tell it ain't been firing. If you look at this one, it looks different. All of them look different except for that one. So, this comes down, goes to the manifold, and it stopped. So right here, all that, and up in there. So this is why y'all need to inspect these trucks. Get the overhead rim before you bought it. Check the camshaft because of this right here. Now this guy has not had this truck long enough for it to have done that. I thought it was a few months, but Dad said he only had this truck a few weeks, so he didn't really notice it. But like I said, that was not firing, and it caused all this. And this stuff is hard as a rock. I mean, you can't even like push it. It's just brittle, but it's hard. So we're probably gonna get another manifold because I'm not gonna sit here and clean all that out, and I'm not gonna take another turbo out. So that means we get a new manifold. But it's crazy, really crazy. It's sad, man. It's really sad. As soon as he got it, you can tell this clutch ain't too old. He had to put a clutch in it right after he got it. So he bought the truck, clutch went out, had to put a clutch in it, and it grenades on him. So we're going back together over here, but like I said, we're going to be on a hold back to get another manifold because we're not putting that one on there, but we're coming along. But yeah, guys, I mean, this stuff, kind of stuff like this is very important. I've had people message me. I'll go run the overhead on a truck. I'll inspect it if it's close by here. I don't mind because I do not want y'all to end up like him. He just used every bit of money he had to buy this truck for his motor to spin a rod bearing. That's why this is important, guys. That's why I'm making these videos, because I care about y'all. I want y'all to get a good truck, and I don't want y'all to have problems like this. So, with that being said, this guy could use a lot of prayers. A lot. He's a good guy, super nice. It's amazing how he found us, and we're gonna bless him with some help, and we'll have a video on what I'm talking about. But till then, let's get back to building that baby to put in this truck, so he'll be one happy guy. Well, we got slowed down on the other side, so we're gonna jump back over here. Got the injectors in. Got to torque them down, torque the coil tubes down. Injectors already torqued. Torque wrench set. Got to put this last line on. This thing, you want to make sure they're centered in here. Line centered. Alright, so just want to show y'all something. Well, this is a perfect spot to put this. See how this is touching right here? It's already torqued, but if you do this and torque it, you're pressing against it, and it'll beat, and it might not be torqued all the way. So you want to grab it where there's nothing around it, and then make sure it's torqued, because that will mess your torque up. But that's what happens when you think you torqued it and you're pressing against this. It'll say it's torqued, but it really won't be. Gotta keep torquing, go right through, make sure you get everything. Alright, everything's double checked. Put all these tools up. Gotta put that intake on. So this is the intake. Look at this. Oh, this is like rubber. It's all nasty all down through there. This is crazy. Well, if we can't clean this out, we'll put another intake on it too. You don't want any of this going into the engine. Crazy. And this don't just wipe off. Unbelievable. Alright guys. We're here. Waiting on the manifold. Intake. Kind of get it better than it was. Do a little bit more cleaning on it till it gets where I want it to be. But here we are. Taking a little bit more time because I'm actually pulling some stuff on the injectors off this engine, cleaning them, put them over there. This thing's been sitting for a minute. Whenever I took that fuel pump off, I cracked the line loose. It still had pressure on it. So this fuel system's good. I gotta pull that off and I'll put it over there. Anything that's better on this one that was on that one, we're gonna take off That turbo right there. To the manifold off. We're not going to use this manifold, but I did take it off, so. See what we can get done tomorrow.